Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to use a 20 by 20 centimeter canvas. I'm going to use a black base that's going to be from Bleiswijk Black. And I'm going to do a swipe, and my colors I'm going to be using are pink Tourmaline from Decoart and Peridot also from Decoart. And I'm going to use this chameleon metallic. It's in golden nut. And I'm going to do a swipe, and the color I'm swiping with is titanium white from Amsterdam. So these are my colors. I'm going to spread my black. So all my paints are mixed with water and with Cleopatra. It's a PVA glue. So I'm going to be swiping with this piece of plastic, and I'm going to be layering it. So I'm taking this to the side because I don't want it to have all the paint on it. And I'm actually going to put my swipe color first on here. So this is just titanium white with the PVA glue and some water. It's pretty thick. I was thinking about making it a little bit there, but I don't want it to break up. So let's see if this will work. So that's the white. I've got the pink, the green and the gold. Start with the gold. And then some pink. And finally some green. These are all pretty thick because I did some tests, and if I made them too thin, I got too much of the paint breaking up. Okay. Let's see if we can swipe. It's looking pretty good. I want to see if I can spread it just a little bit, hopefully without flinging the paint everywhere. So I think this is it. I like how it's looking. I wish this white was off, but it's okay, it's not too bad. So let's see how it dries. Thank you for watching. Bye guys!